Hello there, welcome back to next Qlik Sense tutorial video, and in this tutorial video we will look at this Qlik Sense WildMatch function. So WildMatch function helps us allows taking the wildcard characters, which is star and question mark. So star indicates that say for example you have January, so JAN star, so anything after Jan, it can be any character or anything, it will going to take that value. But if you have, let's say, 3 characters JAN and you are saying JA question mark, then it will expect only one single value, and it can be any value. It can be JAN, it can be JAB, JAR, whatever. So it will just expect one value. So star means it after the characters or before the characters. If it is applied before, like star JA, then anything before JA will going to pick up by the WildMatch function. So let's see it in action, and then probably you will be able to understand. So what do I have is basically a simple table and admission, and we will going to take teams, and here are various teams. So if you see, we have alpha, beta, delta, zeta, theta, epsilon, and there is this value epsilon and eta. So anything after E, it should be it should basically take the value. Similarly TA, right? So anything before TA it should take, so theta, zeta, beta, delta, and all that. All right, so how we can basically configure this is, let's say we add one dimension to it, and over here we say WildMatch, and name of the, if I just open this WildMatch and team, and the first thing I want to do is let's say star TA, right, and E, capital E star. All right, so we want this, and need to make sure that it is surrounded by single quotes. All right, and then finally one for question mark, ALPH question mark, question mark. So since it is case insensitive, so no issues around this, and we are done. Whichever is not considered will come first, and if I just click apply, you will see, okay, so it has given us the count, but I wanted to apply it actually into the sort. Control X, and I'll just remove this. In the sorting, for this team sorting, I wanted to actually apply it here in the sort expression. Control V, and since gamma I have not taken, so zeta, delta, eta, beta is coming first, even theta, because we have said that anything which is ending with TA, right? Star is saying anything before TA. So alternatively we can say anything which is ending with TA. So zeta is ending with TA, delta is ending with TA, and then finally you have E star. After all the values of TA, you have epsilon, which is value which is starting with epsilon. And if you see, the ETA has been already considered because it is ending with TA and it is first in the order, right? So that is why. And finally you have alpha over here, because we have said, okay, ALPH and question mark, but you can also, so like alpha, ALPH, gamma is there. If you want to say that not this, but anything which is ending with A, so star A, then in that case gamma and alpha will also come. So gamma has come down, and if you see, it's following the order which we have specified. So that's basically helps us in case you have thousands of products or thousands of customers, and you are looking for a particular type of customer with the help of these wildcard characters, star and question mark, or a particular type of product name, product SKU, or things like that, then you can basically utilize this, and you can sort it. Even this works in the search as well. If you are having a search object, these wildcard characters work in the search object as well as in the set analysis search. So these are like pretty consistent across the Qlik Sense interface, and you can use it. But in here, wherever we have this WildMatch function, it will going to work that, but not in any other function, only in those functions which accept this wildcard character. So that's mainly I wanted to talk about this and show you a quick implementation of star and question mark, and I hope you will be able to use it now in your scripting or in your expressions.